Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows could not complete the installation. So if you're currently facing this issue, then watch this video because I'm going to provide you two important solutions that you can try in order to fix this issue. So what you want to do, guys, go ahead and click the Windows key in your keyboard or taskbar, and you want to type in troubleshoot, and you'll find the troubleshooting settings here. You want to click on that. That's going to take you right into your system troubleshooter. Now, once you're here, click on other troubleshooters, and then you want to go ahead and click on the run under the Windows. So these are the most frequent ones, are the more frequent ones that you can find. So the Windows update, you want to go ahead and click on run. This is going to bring up a pop-up, and it's going to try to detect any Windows issue here, and it's going to try to fix those problems for you. So it's going to try to detect any Windows update problems and try to fix us for you. So allow it a few minutes to do its thing, be patient, and see if it detects any problem. This one, sometimes it works, sometimes it does not, but it always worth to start with this solution first and to see if it actually fixed the problem for you. So I'm going to give it a few more minutes and allow it to complete, and then we'll move on to the second solution. And as you can see, it is very quick. Now I try to check if there's any problem, and this is all that it detected. And yeah, in your case, you'll see what else it detects, but then you can go ahead and try to see if it fixed the problem for you. In my case right now, I'm going to simply click on close and show you the second solution that you can try. Now this one is another very popular option that people use to try to fix issues on their Windows computer. So you want to click the Windows key in your keyboard or taskbar, and you simply want to type in CMD. That's going to show up this command prompt. You can simply run it as administrator from the right hand side, or simply right click on it and run as admin. You will receive a pop-up which allows you to allow administrative privilege. Simply click on yes, and you'll be taken here. Now from here, you want to type in this command sfc space / scan now, just like that, and simply hit enter. And you want to allow this a few minutes to complete. This is a very powerful command, guys, that is used to fix so many problems on Windows. Let this command be your friend, because this will allow you to fix a ton of different issues that you will have on your Windows computer. So just allow this a few minutes to complete, and once it is done, we'll go ahead and restart the computer. Now, as you can see here, guys, mine is just about reach 100%. It hasn't found any issue, but in your case, if it finds any issue, it will definitely detect and fix them for you. And all you have to do now is just simply close the window and restart your computer. And I'm sure this will go ahead and fix the problem for you. So guys, I wish you the best of luck with going forward testing these two solutions. If it works, good luck. I'm happy that I managed to help you to fix the problem. And if not, let me know in the comments below if you're still finding issues, and so we can try to find a different solution in trying to help you fix those issues that you're experiencing. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.